Why I decided to support the Take Back the Tech campaign. Um, Unfortunately, I have been directly suffered by harassment both in the online world and the offline world. So when I heard about this project, Take Back the Tech, this is something that clicked me immediately. And I decided to support this campaign so that I can make this world, not just the offline world, but also the online world, safer for both genders to use. And with my contribution, I can make people learn about the privacy features that different websites offer, that different social networking sites offer, that blogs offer, so that they can use technology more safely.
Okay, so what have you done as part of this campaign?
So far, I've been sharing from a personal experience. I've been sharing tips on how to safely use Facebook, how to be safe while having instant messaging conversation, and how to be safe on Twitter. So I've been sharing stuff along those lines.
And have you received any kind of response or reaction to your tweets or your blog posts or your Facebook entries?
Yes, and thankfully it has been a very positive response. I was really pleased to see so many men supporting the campaign. And when we started spreading the word about Take Back the Tech campaign here in Pakistan, um, it was really a pleasant experience to see that a lot of men jumped in and they said we are going to support this campaign. So that was one positive response. And other than that, new bloggers and new those who are new on Facebook, they also commented on my post and said, these are some tips that are really going to help us.
Have you heard of any examples of online harassment or harassment using mobile phones, etc., that you'd like to share?
Yes, a lot of them actually. A lot of my friends have been experiencing people have been experiencing people abusing them online, using chats, using back in the days of Orchid, they used to scrap them and abuse them via scraps, and then I think prank calls, prank SMSs. These are very common here in Pakistan, at least. So that's something really
And do
common.
you think this discourages women from using technology?
Yes, to some extent, yes. Especially in families where, for example, there's a family who doesn't believe in women using technology. They buy one of their daughters or their sisters a cell phone, and they see someone bugging her on a cell phone. They will simply snatch the cell phone from her and say, "See, girl, this is not safe for you, so let's not use it together." They're not going to protest against it. They're not going to do something to combat that situation. They are just going to deprive her of that facility.
Now tell me, how can technology be used positively by women? Why do you think we need to use technology? Why is it important that we use mobiles and we use, desktops and laptops, any kind of technology? Why is it necessary for us?
Why is it necessary for men? For the same reasons, it is necessary for women also. We use it at work. We use it for personal projects. So technology is something that is deeply rooted in our lives, in this age. So that is something that we ought to use anyway. So how can women use technology safely? First of all, keep on researching and keep on reading about how to be safe online. And apart from that, if something happens, that offends you, don't shy away, and don't just keep it up to yourself. Share it with people so that you get to know how to fight back in that situation.
And it's easier to share through online mechanisms and through
Exactly,
mobiles.
exactly.